Next step. Yeah, I think we are good to go now. So one more thing which is pending is the switch to switch. Okay. Before that, I'll just edit the switch name. Okay. I'm entering switch one. You can see this is the switch name it's shown. So I just in both switches it's going to be showing like this now. So enable, enter conft and type host name or type host and press tab. It's showing this one, and you can provide a name switch switch 1 or SW1. Okay, enter. So after you enter, you can see before the conf is showing SW1. Immediately after the hostname command, it's changing. Okay, enter, right memory, the same. And on switch 2, similarly, I'm going to type free hostname SW2. Okay, Control C, right memory. So hope this one is clear. Let me check whether I can paste it. So configure hostname switch to. Okay. So this is the command for changing the name of the switch hostname. Okay. So next step is configuring this trunk. So jig01, we need to configure it as a trunk. Okay. So switchport mode trunk. You can see I have mentioned already access mode and trunk modes are there. When you are going to connect an end device, you need to make the port as a access mode one. Okay. End device in the sense laptops or servers, PCs, whatever it is. Okay. When you are going to connect another switch or router or something like that, then you need to make the port as trunk. Okay. Jig01. So let me show you the command. Interface FA is for fast Ethernet. So here interface J0/1 switch port mod trunk. That's all. Okay. No shut command. Let me copy this. Switch 1, mod, right click, paste, switch port mod trunk. Okay. So immediately when you have configured the trunk, if the interface is up, it's going to show you what's the process happening. Okay. I can paste that point here. You can see line protocol on interface jig01 change state to down initial. Okay. After that, line protocol on interface jig01 change state to up. Okay. So this is after you enter the no shut command and the mod changes to trunk. This thing is happening. These are the syslog messages. Okay. So log messages you can check by show logging. Okay. Next, I'm going to copy the command, copy and paste on switch to answer. Since here both like both switch 1 and switch 2 are connected to jig 01. In case if you have connected switch to jig 02 or 3 something, then you need to change accordingly. Okay, the port number, exact port number should be configured. So right memory here also. Okay. So interface status. You can see the port mount jig 01 is in trunk and connected state. Okay. Previously it was in connect state. Maybe it could be in connected, but not in trunk mode. Okay. Previously. Show interface status. Okay. Previous one I can scroll up. We checked on the other switch. Yeah, here. So jig 01 connected and it's on VLAN 1 by default one. Okay. So after we have configured it into trunk mode, it shows connected and trunk. Okay. Especially we are configuring in this switch to switch cable into trunk. Then only the different VLAN traffics, like multiple VLAN traffics, can travel through it. Otherwise, only one particular VLAN traffic can go through that one, which the port is assigned to that. For example, previously it's assigned to VLAN 1. So only VLAN 1 traffic will be traveling on that. If you send VLAN 10 traffic, it will not pass through that. Okay.